Next question. Determine the area in square units enclosed by the lines. So these are 4 lines given. I need to find the area enclosed by these lines. So let's just plot these lines on number lines on Cartesian coordinates. So this is y minus x is equal to 0 or y equal to x line. I know y equal to x line is increasing slope in which the value of x and y are equal. So it will be a line at angle 45 degree. This will be y equal to x line. This is at 45 degree because slope is 1. Next, y equal to minus x. Next line is y equal to minus x. This is minus x or decreasing slope. So this will be just perpendicular to this line, and this is and passing from the origin because it is satisfying 0, 0. So this line also passes from 0, 0. This is y equal to minus x, decreasing slope line. It will also be 45 degree from the horizontal axis. So these are 90 degree or perpendicular to each other. Yes, because the product of slope of these two lines is minus 1. So these will be perpendicular lines. Next line is y is equal to 6 minus x. This line will be this line has decreasing slope and y-intercept is 6. So it will intersect y at positive 6 and it will have decreasing slope. So it will be parallel and slope is 1 or minus 1. So this line will be parallel to this line and cutting x and y axis at 6 per point. So this will be this line parallel to this. Next, last line is y is equal to x minus 6. Increasing slope of plus 1. So it will be a line parallel to y equal to x and cutting y at minus 6 and x at 6 only. So minus 6 will be this point. So this will be line parallel to this. So I know this angle will also be 45, this will also be 45. So I need to find this area. I need to find the area enclosed by this line, or this is the area. This is the area, or this is the area of this figure. This is technically a square. I need to find the area enclosed by this square. So I know this is point 0 or the origin 0, 0. This line cuts x-axis at 6. This is 6, 0. Now I know this distance. This is 6. I am finding the area of this triangle, and I will multiply 2 to this area. So twice of the area of this triangle will be the area enclosed. So this is 6. I need to find this height. This height will be, I need to find this coordinate, or where y equal to 6 line or y equal to x line intersects with y equal to, this line is y equal to 6 minus x. When I equate these two lines, x is equal to 6 minus x. So x becomes how much? 3. To x equal to 3, these lines will intersect. So one coordinate of this point will be 3, x coordinate. And at x equal to 3, y becomes how much? Y equal to 3. So this is 3, 3. So I know this distance is 3. So area of this triangle will be half. Base into height, base I have calculated already 6. Height is 3. And twice of this area, will be the area enclosed by this these 4 lines, or the area of this square. So it becomes how much? 2 get cancelled, 6 and 3 becomes 18. So correct answer to this question is option B, 18.